Hey there, savvy savers. If you're looking to get your finances in order, especially as a couple, Honeydue is a fantastic app that makes budgeting and goal setting a breeze. Today, we're breaking down how to set up saving goals in Honeydue, so you can start building that dream vacation fund or emergency stash without the hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, if you're new to Honeydue, it's a user-friendly app designed for couples to track shared expenses, budgets, and yes, saving goals. The best part? It promotes teamwork, so you and your partner can stay on the same page financially. To get started, open the Honeydue app on your phone and log in with your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick and free. Just download it from your app store. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Goals or Savings tab. It's usually front and center for easy access. Now, tap on Create New Goal. You'll be prompted to give your goal a name, like Vacation Fund or New Car Savings. Be specific to keep yourself motivated. Next, enter the target amount you want to save. For example, if you're aiming for $5,000, plug that in. Don't forget to set a deadline, maybe 6 months from now, to create some urgency. Honeydue lets you add details like how much you plan to save each month, which helps with tracking. If you're using the app with a partner, you can assign roles or link it to your joint account for seamless updates. Once everything's set, hit Save, and voila, your goal is live. To keep things engaging, Honeydue shows progress bars and reminders, so you can celebrate small wins along the way. Remember, the key to successful saving is making your goals realistic and reviewing them regularly. If life throws a curveball, you can always edit your goal in the app. There you have it, folks. Setting up saving goals in Honeydue is straightforward and empowers you to take control of your future. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and share it with your partner. Let's crush those goals together. Happy saving!